Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to your computer class. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, and the name of this chapter is Chapter 6 Introduction to MS Excel 2007. Okay, so in this chapter, we are going to study about MS Excel. That's why I have opened this MS Excel window right in front of you. Okay, so let's get started with our chapter. You have to open your books, page number 37. Okay, so I'm going to explain you in this window while you will look into your books and for easy understanding. Okay, so let's get started. Key features. Okay, given at the rightmost corner of your books are the key features. That is, these are the three most important topics that we will be discussing in this chapter. Okay, so let's get started with MS Excel is used in areas that involve complex calculations. Okay, so where MS Excel is used, where you have to calculate complex data. Okay, where you have to solve complex data, there we use MS Excel. Okay, like for example, if you want marks, percentage of every subject of your class, which is very complex, okay, then we can use MS Excel. Okay, so MS Excel is of great importance to those who maintain accounts for sales business. In this field also it is very much important. Okay, so Microsoft is a spreadsheet program. Okay, so it is a spreadsheet program. It is a part of Microsoft Office package. Okay, so this MS Excel is also a part of MS Office, okay, package. Now let's get started with spreadsheet. So what is a spreadsheet? A large sheet. Okay, so this large sheet, okay, arranged in rows. These are the rows and these are the columns. Okay, these horizontal ones are called rows while these vertical ones are called columns. Okay, so which contain data information. It contains the data and information. Okay, so it is a table or grid that is a rectangle. It is a rectangle in shape, you can see here. Okay, and contains information of an organization. A computer spreadsheet is also known as an electronic spreadsheet. It is also called electronic spreadsheet. To analyze and manipulate set of numbers, you can use spreadsheets. So why it is used? It is used for solving the number. Okay, now why it has been named spreadsheet? Why? Because of the it came from the word spread. Okay, spread means phailana. Okay, so in its sense of a newspaper or magazine, okay, item that covers two async pages, okay, extending across the center fold. So न्यूज़पेपर में आपने देखा है कि दो पेजेस होते हैं, एक यहाँ और उनके बीच में एक फोल्ड होता है. ओके, एंड ट्रीटिंग द टू पेजेस, और हम उन दो पेजेस को एज अ सिंगल पेज लेते हैं. दैट्स वाई there this name spreadsheet has come. Okay, now let's do our next topic, which is advantages of using MS Excel. Okay, so MS Excel को use करने का क्या क्या advantage है? Excel is the best package to do calculation, first one. Second, it is very much easy, and also it provides facility of chart, graph and picture. Okay, you can arrange the data either in increasing or डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. मीन्स ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको एक इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में ही लिखना है, आप डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में भी लिख सकते हैं. इसमें यू कैन फॉर्मेट द डेटा, मतलब आप किसी भी वक्त उसमें चेंजेस कर सकते हैं. Excel uses workbook style presentation. That book is made of several worksheets together. Okay, so this is the workbook and these are made up of several worksheets. अगर मैं चाहूँ तो मैं शीट 2 खोल सकती हूँ, 3, 4. so ये भी इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है. Okay, let's start with starting MS Excel. Okay, so if you have to start MS Excel, now how you do it? Okay, so first, the various steps to start MS Excel are: click on the start button. So first of all, what you click on the start button. Okay, after clicking on the start button, okay, like this comes up. Now you will click on all programs. Select all programs, and after clicking on the all programs, you go to Microsoft Office. Okay, so I'm using Microsoft Office 2013. Okay, while in your book it is 2007. So there are not much variations, just this is the more advanced version of it. Okay, so ऐसे कोई खास चेंजेस नहीं होंगे. Now fourth one is click on Microsoft Office Excel 2007. okay, and then you click on Microsoft Office 2013 and you click on Excel 2013. So after clicking on it, this window appears. Okay, so move on to page number 38. okay, वहाँ पे आपको साफ at the beginning of the page you can see the diagram, वहाँ पर easily पता चल रहा है वही steps है जो मैंने अभी follow किए. Now let's get started with components of MS Excel window. So what are the components of MS Excel window? First and foremost important is workbook. So what is workbook? Workbook is the collection of the worksheets. Okay, so जितनी भी sheets आप use करेंगे, like I'm going to use a third one, okay, right here. So थर्ड जितनी भी शीट्स हैं उन सब का कलेक्शन क्या कहलाता है? वर्क बुक. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वर्कशीट. सो वर्कशीट इज द शीट यू आर वर्किंग ऑन राइट नाउ. लाइक आई एम वर्किंग ऑन वर्कशीट 3 राइट नाउ, सो दिस इज द वर्कशीट. ओके, यू कैन यूज़ शीट 1 2 3 एनी काइंड. ओके, और भी यूज़ किया जा सकता है. नाउ पर जो एक्टिव होगी जिसमें आप काम कर रहे हैं वो किस में आएगी? बोल्ड में आएगी. लाइक अगर मैं शीट 1 में काम कर रही हूँ तो इट विल कम इन बोल्ड लेटर्स. ओके, बोल्ड इज दिस. ओके, नाउ सो उसके नीचे है MS Excel 2007 इंटरफेस. ओके, एक बार हम क्विकली इन सब के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, सो पहले बुक का डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद जो बच जाएगा वी विल डिस्कस ऑन दिस विंडो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज सेल्स. सो व्हाट आर सेल्स? सेल्स आर द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ अ रो एंड अ कॉलम. सो जो भी ये इन्हें इसे क्या कहेंगे? हम सेल कहेंगे बिकॉज इट हैज़ बीन मेड विद द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अ रो and a column. Okay, so and you can see at the leftmost corner there it is given rows are labeled numerically. तो rows को numerically represent किया जाता है while columns are represented in alphabet. Okay, so for example cell B5. Okay, so B5 क्या होगा? ये है B और ये है 5. so B5 कौन सा होगा? ये वाला. ओके, सो आप अपनी जो भी आप जिस भी सेल पे आप काम करेंगे उसका नाम कहाँ पे आ जाएगा? यहाँ पे. ओके, राइट हियर. सो इट इज़ B5. ओके, नाउ A7 represent, now A7 it is A and this one is 7, so A7 is this one. Okay, so A7 represents the cell in the 7th row and column A. Okay, when you click on a cell you can read its address from the small box present above the कॉलम. ओके, सो आप उसका एड्रेस यहाँ से पढ़ सकते हैं. ओके, इसका नाम ही क्या है? नेम बॉक्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज move on to page number 39. Okay, there it is given Microsoft Office button. So which is the Microsoft Office button? Okay, so it is given in your books, you can see there. Okay, it is the Microsoft Office button. Okay, now in 2013 this is not available, so that's why I'm not discussing about it here, but you can view it in your books. It is given right there. Okay, so उसकी जगह पर यहाँ पे क्या है? This one. Okay, so now next is MS Excel document performs many functions. It also allows you to create a new workbook, open an existing workbook. मतलब आप अपनी नई भी खोल सकते हैं. Like you can open new one, you can open the old one, you can save as, print, share. It provides you with every facility. Okay, now next it is given shortcut keys. So shift plus space bar. Okay, to select a row in which cell is active. So if you want to select a row, what you press shift and space bar. Okay, so I have pressed shift and space bar together, so जिस रो में मैं थी वो पूरी की पूरी select हो चुकी है. Okay, while if you control plus space bar to select the column in which a cell is active. तो active cell कौन सी है? जिस पर हम अभी work कर रहे हैं. Like this is D8. Okay, D8 is its name. तो अगर मुझे इस पूरी column को select करना है, then what I will press control plus space bar. Okay, next is control plus A. Okay, so control plus A to select the active worksheet. तो पूरी worksheet को select करने के लिए control plus A, that is it will select the entire worksheet. All right, so now next one is ribbon. So in ribbon you can see the panel at the top of an MS Excel. Okay, so the panel which is at the top of the MS Excel. Okay, so this whole one, okay, this complete one is called ribbon. Okay, so the ribbon has 7 tabs in it, so these are the 7 tabs in it. Okay, which uh, which are home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and acrobat is the extra one. Okay, so each tab is divided into groups. The groups are logical collection of features designed to perform functions in developing or editing the Excel worksheet. Okay, so next one is commonly used features are displayed on the ribbon. So whatever are the commonly used features, मतलब जो ये सब है ये commonly used होते हैं, तभी ये ribbon में यहाँ पे सामने दिख रहे हैं. Okay, next. To view additional feature, अगर आपको additional features देखने हैं, you will press on this icon. Okay, so if you press on this icon, then you can see the additional features of just this clipboard. Okay, similarly if you want to see of this, then you can press right here. Okay, so these are the all the extra features. All right, so now what are the tabs are home tab. So home tab में क्या क्या है, अभी home tab ही खुला हुआ है यहाँ पे, आप देख सकते हैं. Here it is clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, editing. Okay, so ये सारे के सारे कहाँ पर हैं, home में. Okay, next let's move on to next one, which is insert. Insert में क्या क्या है, tables है हमारी, जो ये at the bottommost corner of the ribbon, the name which it has, this represents the group. Okay, so tables, illustrations, apps, charts, reports, sparklines, filters, links, text and symbols. Okay, next one is form page layout. Okay, so page layout क्या आप देख सकते हैं, ये सब है themes, setup, scale to fit, sheet options and arrange. Similarly of formulas, you can see here. Okay, function library and defined names, formula auditing and calculation. Similarly data का आप देख सकते हैं. Okay, connection, sort and filter, data tools, review, proofing, languaging, comments, changes and view, show, zoom, window, macros. Okay, so these are the tabs of MS Excel. Okay, so all right, so first one is title bar. Okay, so जो आपकी image है given at the page number 38, there also you can see, or you can see in this video. Okay, so uh, first one is title bar. Okay, so it appears on the top of the screen. So जो top of the screen है उस पर जो title है, this is called title bar. It contains the name of your Excel sheet. Okay, so अभी इसका कुछ नाम नहीं है, so book 1 is by default. Okay, so this is title bar. Next is quick access toolbar. So these are the quick access toolbar, that is quick, हम save करते हैं या हम undo करते हैं, that is जो action आपने कर दिया है उसे undo करना. Okay, and redo is doing that step again. Okay, next one is name box. Okay, so the name of the active cell comes here, this is the name box. Formula bar, okay, this is your formula bar. Okay, so this contains the formula for you will use for your cells. Okay, status bar, it is at the end. Okay, right here. So and active cell is the cell on which we are working. Okay, so let's for example I'm writing here class 5. Okay, so this is the active cell, और जो भी यहाँ पे होगा you can see C6, which is the name, and in the formula whatever you will be writing here, that will come up here. Okay, move on to page number 40. Okay, so the smallest unit of a worksheet is called a cell. जो ये simple एक है single, इसे हम cell बोलते हैं. Cell is used to store a unit of information. There are 16,384 columns and this much rows. Okay, so next last one is mini toolbar. Mini toolbar is जो भी mini toolbar is the new feature added to Office 2007 programs. It is displayed when you select text or right click on it. Okay, तो जो भी आप text select करेंगे तभी आता है. Okay, so that's all for this class. This is your classwork. Now let's move on to your homework. Okay, so for classwork I have explained you this chapter. We will continue with this chapter in next class. Now let's get started. Let's do your homework. Okay, All right, so this is your homework. Okay, so for homework what you have to do, you have to do this in your book only. Okay, so first is tick the correct option. Computer worksheet is also known as dash worksheet. अभी हमने देखा था उसे और क्या कहते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वर्कशीट. ओके, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ MS Excel इंटरफेस. दैट इज टैब्स भी हमने पढ़े, रिबन भी पढ़ा, फाइल टैब भी देखा था हमने स्टार्टिंग में. ओके, दिस वाज फाइल टैब. ओके, सो हमने क्या नहीं पढ़ा है, ट्रे. सो ट्रे इज़ नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ MS Excel. ओके, एक्टिव सेल इज़ द, जो भी एक्टिव सेल होती है वो क्या होती है, सिलेक्टेड वन. ओके, जिसको हम सेलेक्ट करे रखते हैं. सो सेलेक्टेड. नेक्स्ट इज द सेल एड्रेस कैन बी रेड फ्रॉम द सेल एड्रेस. कहाँ से पढ़ते थे हम, यहाँ से. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड नेम बॉक्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज true or false. So check whether true or false. Shortcut key to show oblique hide ribbon is Control plus F4. So if you will press Control plus F4, that will show or hide your ribbon. So it is false. Okay. Next is rows in 9 worksheet are displayed vertically. So rows in 9 worksheets जो है वो vertically यहाँ पर दिखाई देती है. So 9 में नहीं, by default it is 3. Okay, so it is false. Next is a worksheet has grid like addition. So again it is false. Okay. Next, quick access toolbar is the new feature added to the Office 2007 programs. Okay, so it is true. Okay, next is Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program. It is true. Okay, so that's all for this class. Thank you and have a nice day.